me, Sylvia, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are in a different location, okay? We're giving you studio vibes, and that is because today's video is boyfriend wrapping my makeup tutorial. First things first, we have to give a massive shout out to Catherine Celeste. She has a series on her channel where her husband wraps her makeup tutorial, hair tutorial, different types of tutorials, and they are all fire. They absolutely kill it. Charles and I came across one of those videos, and we were hella inspired. And you know, Charles does a little bit of music. He dabbles here or there. So I was like,
babe, we're definitely doing this.
Wrap my tutorial and let's get it done. We worked on it for so long and it was so much fun and really just like brought us together, and I got to learn a little bit more about the music creative like process because I don't know nothing about that. And Charles learned a lot about makeup. So it was kind of like a two-way street, and it was a really cool way for us to kind of do something fun together and create something really, really cool for you guys. So I hope you guys like it. I honestly love this video so much and the song so much, and I think it's like the best thing I'm uploading ever on my channel.
I love it so much.
It took me like 10 years to edit, like no lie, so long to edit. So leave me a like and leave me some comments. Thank you so much. But if you're confused right now, you're like,
Sylvia, boyfriend, who, what, since when?
Don't worry. I gave you guys a huge like personal life update. I opened up a lot about so many things, you know, my relationship, my personal life, work, family, all of that is in my Reading Your Assumptions video. So I basically answered all your guys' assumptions about me and opened up a lot. Answering your guys' assumptions about me. Nothing's off limits. You used to be insecure about yourself. I am that bitch. You were with Charles the whole time and never actually broke up. Yo, you're good with your shmoney. You don't get along with your dad. Y'all are really getting into this about my daddy issues and shit. You have always been in good shape. I was so fragile. You have a heart of gold and you will give people your very last to make them feel better. Your little brother is actually, so if you want an update and you want to know what's going on in my life, then definitely check out that video and get yourself updated, okay? Because I don't want to, you know, keep repeating myself and answering to people like why I make decisions that I do. I just wanted to say it once, and it is what it is. Live my life, because at the end of the day, who's in the relationship? Your girl. So it ain't nobody else's problem. But obviously, I want y'all to ride with me, and I'm gonna update you on things happening with my life. But without further ado, I'm gonna let the song play and just shut my mouth, okay? I talk too much. I know, I'm sorry. Play the song. Play the song.
Charles.
I love you, Benji.
Yeah. Ooh. Sheesh. Yeah. You see the good in me like the silver lining, and I see the good in you cause that beauty blinding. Wanna look like this, call it perfect timing, cause she gon' show you how to slay, starting with the primer. Only use Farsali drip, stick to the routine. Rub the temples in and sprinkle something on the cheeks. She my cover girl, maybe she Maybelline, and we ain't started and she looking like a beauty queen. She ain't got a flex Gucci on the foundation. Makeup 101 and I ain't talking Dalmatian. Beauty blender got the wrist moving rotation. Panoramic, she look good no matter what she facing. Kylie Jenner look, she already got it, now she got these bitches shook. Had the blemish like the past, that's a bad look. Fit me loose, let it bake, chefing like a cook. Set the powder on the skin, brush the light 15. And work your asses, girl, you bright, pristine. If you keep it up, I might just rain. Diamond bling for the wife and king. You make me smile over the slightest thing. Brought the Marc Jacobs out, oh you bougie, oh you drastic. Contour stretching like it's Mrs. Fantastic. Shape the jawline, girl, you fine, nothing average. Look timeless, 104, fantastic. Hope I made you blush, see them rosy cheeks. Blend the brush, just a touch makes you so elite. Got the Nars, you know what I mean. It's the looks that kill, she ain't gotta speak. Now she shining like a star. Jeffree, Patrick, lost in your glow, double taking like it's magic. Highlight reel and I'm your biggest fan. Bathing in it, I wanna see you bathing in the sand out in Bora Bora. You something special, no Sephora order. A look that I ain't never getting bored of. And when I take in your complexion, I can't hold my breath in. Rihanna, Fenty on the islands, use it like a weapon. Yeah, head, shoulder, knees and toes. Yeah, pine dab on eyeshadow. Smoky eye with a cursive S is for Sylvia. She got the custom palette with 22 different signatures. Goddess, rebel, Libra and Hazel. Links down below, so the offer's on the table. You can find it at the altar and scoop it like a ladle. Take it back to the look, no plug, no cable. Bat your lash till you can't no more. Shake your wand up and down like your wand was broke. Take a big old TooFaced and scrub it down. She got mascara so thick it be busting down. Now she gluing on the lashes. KMYNX spending cash, yeah. Teach her how she bring the class, yeah. Stunning, I don't wanna gas you up. Nah. By the looks of it, it's shaping up. Brows on fleek, like the fuck is you talking about? You breaking up. Compliment you like I'm making up. I wanna paint you on a canvas, frame it and hang it up. Lotus gloss bomb popping on the lips. If you wasn't through the screen, I'd give you a kiss. But I'm your soldier girl, so I'ma kiss you through the phone. Little pink on the glitter, taught her how to go. She got the Midas touch, yeah. She got the Midas touch. She got the Midas touch. She'll make it last till the sun rises up. Hey, I ain't even trying to cap though. Shout out Sylvia. 11 out of 10. Albanian goddess. Kitchener's greatest. Sweetest girl I've ever met. No cap though. Sheesh. And the makeup's bomb. But you already knew that. Charles.
I told you, it's so good. I love it so much. A huge shout out to Charles. Like, obviously I love it. He's just hyping me up the whole time. But huge shout out to Charles for taking the time to write all those bars. Like, did you guys hear that? Something special, no Sephora order. Yeah, damn right. Yeah, damn right. Make sure you guys show Charles love. I will link his channels in the description. You can check out his other music. He has a new song coming out on Friday. Now, come to think of it. Y'all should stay tuned for that. Let me interrupt real quick. Hello, Sylvia from the future, because I forgot to film this part when I was doing the outro. Quick little studio tour where the magic happened. We got the mic right here. You record with this. I know things. And then we got the setup over here where the mixing happens and yada yada. And I'd personally like to point out this Charles sign that I custom ordered because I'm the best girlfriend ever, but how sick is it? It's so cool. And the hue lights change different colors so you can get a vibe in here. You know, Wolfie RAPS, get it? Wolf on the fireplace. And of course, you need a little bar situation, get the juices flowing, get the vibes right. So I'm basically the best interior designer ever, and most of the stuff in the studio is my idea. And those things on the wall are like soundboards to make it less echoey in here and your voice is cleaner on the mic. I don't know, it's pretty legit. Charles did give a full tour of like his studio, and come to think of it, the whole house on his channel.
Okay, now that I got the hue light set up, peep the room, guys. Look at the fucking shit.
So he beat me to it. I know you guys wanted to see one on my channel, but the house is a mess and literally not even close to being ready when he did his tour.
First bedroom that is not really a bedroom. This is like my favorite room. Once we set up chairs here, this is gonna be ridiculous. Sylvia's got like some makeup set up here. The most makeup I've ever seen in my life. This is just extra shit. This is anyway, she has all her makeup, and then I have all my camera batteries. So this is just like extra supply / organization room. And then another, oh, I can't go in there right now. I'm gonna let Sylvia do this tour of this room because this is like her pride and joy. This is her beauty room. And if you guys thought the ones at the other houses we had were nice, bruh, she's gonna do the dirtiest tour of that.
So maybe you wanna wait for mine. When more of the stuff comes in for the house, I'll give you an update, show you around, but it's literally so beautiful and I can't wait for you guys to see it too. Okay, back to the outro. But let me know if you guys like this type of video. Do you want us to do it again? Do you want your girl to create a rap, you know, to turn into my inner Nicki Minaj? Like, what should my rapper name be? I could definitely do it. Just kidding. Charles will definitely have to ghostwrite for me, but I'll pretend. I can, you know, hand movements with the rest of them. But comment down below what ideas you have if you want us to do this again. But that's all for this video. If you are new, click right here to subscribe and we'll become best friends in no time at all. Click this button to shop my eyeshadow palette if you don't want to go to Ulta and scoop it like a ladle, you know. Check out my other videos by clicking these right here, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
You see the good in me like the silver lining. And I see the good in you cause that beauty blinding. Wanna look like this, call it perfect timing. Cause she gon' show you how to slay, starting with the primer. Only use Farsali drip, stick to the routine. Rub the temples in and sprinkle something on the cheeks. She my cover girl, maybe she Maybelline. And we ain't started and she looking like a beauty queen.